What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your girl, Yada Girl Flavor. This is a quick video, so let's jump into it. I am showing you how I made my mango sauce for these delicious wings that you just saw. Okay, so I have one mango here, some honey, a scotch bonnet pepper, and a lime. I'm just gonna chop up the mango, and I'm gonna chop up the scotch bonnet pepper. I'm not going to add all the seed. I'm going to remove as much of the seed as possible, and I'm also going to squeeze the lime in, and then I'm going to add the honey. As you guys can see, that mango wasn't good, so I had to salvage what I can get from it and then go looking for other one. But here I have my mango, and I am just dicing it up, peeling off the skin and dicing it up. Once I dice it up, I'm going to put it in my blender. I'm going to squeeze the lime. I'm going to add the scotch bonnet pepper, and I will add the honey at the end when I add it to my saucepan. So this is as much of the scotch bonnet pepper I'm using because I don't want it to, I want it to have spice, but not so spicy where you can't enjoy the flavor. So here I am putting in my lime. If you have lemon, that can work too, or pineapple, that works as well. But here I am squeezing in my lime, and then I'm gonna just blend all of that up. I'm not adding no water or anything. We're just gonna blend that up for like not even a minute and just get it real blended out. Then we're gonna put it in our saucepan and season it. So blending, and then this is the consistency that we have. It's super thick, so we're gonna work on that. So here I have the juice that was left over from the seasoning from my wings. I add that to the saucepan first, and I add the blended mango, scotch bonnet pepper, and lime. And I'm just gonna let that combine together. As you see, it's not combining. It took a while to combine with the sauce that was there before I add the mango. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a while, keep mixing till I get it combined. Once it is combined, then I'm gonna add some paprika. I'm gonna add my honey, and we're just gonna let it simmer and get together. I did add some water because it was a little bit too thick, as you guys can see, and I was trying to loosen it a bit. Then I'm gonna go in with my honey, and this tasted so good. You can taste the sweetness of the mango and the honey. You can taste the citrusy of the lime, and then the scotch bonnet pepper was just there. It was not overpowering, but it was there. I'm going in with some minced garlic as well, and then I'm going in with some paprika, as I said earlier. This is minced garlic, and I add some paprika, and I'm just gonna keep mixing it so all the flavors can combine together. The garlic is optional. If you don't want to add the garlic, you can leave out the garlic, but I love garlic. So I think my sauce is where I want it to be, so I'm gonna get my wings, and we're gonna have some mango wings. So here's my wings. I have dipped in the sauce, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven so that sauce can hold to them. But before I do that, I'm gonna drizzle them with some honey and into the oven. They're already cooked. I deep fried them. Didn't do a flour breading because I just don't think you should bread your wings if you're gonna dab them in a sauce, especially a sauce like this. But to each is their own. So I deep fried them, didn't bread them or anything. So I dipped them in the mango sauce, and then I'm drizzling some honey, and into the oven they go to get that sauce holding to them nicely. This is the remainder of my mango sauce. We definitely use it to dip our fries, to dip our wings while we were eating. And I have some more left over in the fridge. I'm definitely going to find something to use for that. My chicken are finished. So I'm just going to go in and plate them up. They were so delicious. They were sweet, they were spicy, you get that citrusy. It was just a party in your mouth. Definitely good and worth trying. But as I said, this sauce can be used on any of your meat: pork, shrimp, chicken, beef. You can get fancy and creative with this sauce. That's how versatile it is. But these are my mango wings. So let me know if you guys will give this sauce a try. It doesn't have to be wings. You can put them on anything, as I said. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.